So I wanted to record a quick video, especially with the focus of the nature around me. I will show you a few clips which I have made on my way here so that you can see how it looks. And I want to talk about a quick and easy thing which you can do right away, and it's to change the layout of your furniture. So change how your room feels, how it looks, and that way it will also make you feel like you are at a different place, which will make it easier for you to change your identity, change your way how you do things, change your regime in general. Which means when I'm making a decision in terms of I don't know, act differently, I won't play games, I won't watch useless videos, then sometimes what can help is to change the layout of my room. That way I will feel like I'm in a different environment and I won't have the urges to go back to my old habits. At least they won't be so strong as they were when I had completely same environment as before. And so this is what I want to talk about in this video. It will probably be super short, and you wouldn't believe how grateful I am that I can finally walk around normally since I had dislocated my knee. I don't know, it was around 5 months since I walked normally, and so here I am making the same style of videos as I used to, but I will probably switch in between recording in the car and recording outside. I somewhat got used to recording in the car, and it gives me a different feeling. And so just really quickly, like if you are about to make a decision, if you are about to change the ways how you act or behave during your days, then I highly recommend that you will change or make a change in the way how your furniture is placed, and you wouldn't believe how great it will make you feel. But also don't use it as an excuse as to be productive, because it's not really productive, but in some sense it will make you productive in the future. But also don't think of it as a crazy thing that it will boost your productivity, I don't know, to 100%. That's not how it works. It's just a small boost, especially as I mentioned, when you are about to make a change in the way how you behave. And so that's what I wanted to say in this video, and also to show you how beautiful this nature is and that you should go outside if you have the chance. Like for me, I couldn't really go outside because I had dislocated my knee, but I still went outside, like even if I wasn't able to go outside like this on the hills and stuff, I still went outside at least for small walks with the crutches which I had. But right now I can finally be outside normally, and if you had the chance to go outside like this, like all the time, then just use it, man. Like I was grateful for all the things, all the small things which we take for granted even before I dislocated my knee. But in a sense, I still felt bad when it happened, you know, like I still realized that I wasn't like completely aware of the fact that I'm able to go outside like this. Like I took it for granted, and you wouldn't realize how many things we take for granted, and when we lose them we realize that it was actually super important to us. And so maybe this will be the message which I will leave you in this video, because I don't really have a talking flow state, and so I don't want to drag this video for too long for no reason. And so just enjoy this view one last time, and if you want to learn something else, then you can watch this video next.